What's up, kid? It's your boy James Dal back in again with another reaction video, man. Today, I'm gonna react. The heck's wrong with my wires? What's this? Rain. Switch with me. Do it with JYP. Damn. JYP, the CEO of the JYP Entertainment, bro. So I'm not gonna waste your time, man. We're gonna react to this. Let's go!
형 요즘 좋으시겠어요? 하는 일마다 다 잘 되신다.
Rain!
다 똑같지 뭐. 너야말로 요즘 난리도 아니던데. 명성이 자자해.
Wait, is there a subtitle on it? There it is.
그래도 형 따라가려면 멀었죠 뭐.
금방 따라잡겠던데. 넌 수단과 방법을 안 가리니까.
Ah, so they're fighting, huh?
그거 다 형한테 배운 건데요 뭐.
Ouch. Who the heck is this? Who the heck is she, bro? Rain, ex JYP. Oh, so we're starting now. Damn, that's a minute and 3 seconds, bro. That's a long intro. God damn.
네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도 뭐라 설명할 순 없어도 네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아 내게 기회를 줘
Dude, they're doing 80s, bro. Old school. Bobby Brown style. God dang, JYP. Oh, they're doing old school, huh? Bobby Brown style. God damn. I didn't expect that. See, Bobby Brown moves. Inspired by Bobby Brown, bro. Yeah. Dude, a Ferrari and a Rubicon. Damn, this JYP really. They really don't care about the expenses, huh? What the heck? What in the Taylor Swift going on here, man? A white horse in the freaking middle of the beach. Ah, this JYP, bro. Dude, I like a dance step, bro. Bobby Brown, man. Now this guy is rapping. The heck, JYP, you're unpredictable, man.
네 남자가 누구니 널 이렇게 혼자 두고 다니니 나 같으면 자식 손자 생긴 후에도 절대로 널 혼자 두지 않아 Let me love you and 혼자 날 봐 지금 이 기회 다시금 오지 않을지도 몰라 그러니 그만 네 바라보지 말고 나만을 바라봐 내 맘속에 비치는 눈빛을 봐봐
You see JYP's face, bro?
봐 지금 이 기회 다시금 오지 않을지도 몰라 그러니 그만 네 바라보지 말고 나만을 바라봐
This guy's face, nah, I feel you, man, I feel you.
내 속에 비치는 눈빛을 봐봐 너를 어떻게 되셨니 네가 얼마나 특별한지 이르는 것 같니
No, he did not. Dude, is this CGI or what? Yo, I really think that this is a CGI, but if it's not, in this song they don't. How many budget did they got? Damn.
네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어
Dude, I really like that dance step, bro. I don't know what's.
네가 너무 아까워 네 남
At the same time, the camera up and down. The camera movement, damn. I like that.
네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어 뭐라 설명할 순 없어 네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아 내게 기회를 줘 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자
I really think it's a CGI, man. But damn, that's too much details on it. I don't think it's a CGI, man.
제발 나로 바꾸자 제발
Oh, that's a Ferrari, huh? Ferrari and what is this? Rubicon. I think that was a Jeep, if I'm not mistaken. Dude, how many? Oh shoot, they have a. They don't have any budget, huh? Unlimited budget, I guess. Oh, who is she gonna pick? Oh. Who is he? Oh, who is she gonna pick? Uh-oh. You see the expression, bro? Joey! Ah! I didn't expect that, bro. I did not expect that. Look at JYP. See, not all women needs money, bro. Damn, how come Psy? That was funny. Psy was. Well, that's it for the reaction, man. That was funny to me. Tell me what you thought, man. What you think of it? What you think of this song? Like, comment, subscribe, bro. I'm gone.